In today's video, I'm going to teach you HARPA AI versus ChatGPT. If you've been trying to decide which of these tools is the better fit for your work, the most important thing to understand is that they are both useful, but they are built for different kinds of workflows. HARPA AI is a browser-based AI assistant that focuses heavily on web automation, page analysis, and productivity inside your browser. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is a more general-purpose AI assistant designed for writing, coding, research, learning, and a wide range of business tasks. Both use AI to help you work faster and more efficiently, but their primary focus is not the same. When it comes to web browsing and automation, HARPA AI has a clear advantage. Because it integrates directly into your browser, it can interact with web pages in a very practical way. It can summarize web pages, monitor website changes, and help automate repetitive web tasks. This makes it especially useful for things like SEO research, content extraction, and overall browser productivity. If your day-to-day work involves visiting websites, gathering information, checking for updates, or repeating the same browser-based actions, HARPA AI is designed for exactly that kind of environment. ChatGPT can still help with similar tasks by giving guidance, summaries, or strategies, but it offers broader conversational support, rather than being centered on browser automation itself. For website monitoring, web research, browser automation, and SEO workflows, HARPA AI is often the stronger option. It's built to work where that activity happens, directly in the browser. That can save time and reduce the number of manual steps in your workflow. Now, if your focus is content creation and productivity across many types of tasks, ChatGPT stands out more. It excels at long-form writing, brainstorming, coding, and problem-solving. You can use it to create blog posts, scripts, emails, reports, and marketing content, and it handles complex conversations and multi-step tasks very well. For example, you could give it a prompt like, "Create a complete content marketing strategy for a SaaS startup," and it can build out a structured response with ideas, planning, and recommendations. HARPA AI is still valuable, especially when working directly with web pages and browser-based information, but ChatGPT is generally stronger when the task goes beyond the browser and into broader thinking, writing, and analysis. So which one is better? It depends on the use case. Choose HARPA AI if you need browser automation, web page analysis, and SEO-focused workflows. Choose ChatGPT if you need writing, coding, research, learning, and business assistance. In simple terms, HARPA AI works more like a browser productivity tool, while ChatGPT functions as a comprehensive AI assistant for a much wider range of tasks. If you break it down by category, web automation goes to HARPA AI, content creation goes to ChatGPT, coding and problem-solving go to ChatGPT, research and learning go to ChatGPT, and SEO and browser workflows go to HARPA AI.